replacing these anti-roll bar support bushes. This support section here seized up right through. This vehicle's been sitting on these bolts which have been loosened from the weight of the vehicle over about 12-15 hours, hasn't budged them at all. The other side is yet to be done. What has actually happened is that on the reverse side, one of those bolts, U-bolts, has actually broken off, and the nuts themselves are having a pretty hard time of it. We've ordered those new parts, that spacer, bolts and nuts. So the intention now is to cut them off with a grinder and see where we go from there.